Welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota Sienna that came in with the check engine light, traction control light, and VSC light on. Let's start by scanning the vehicle. Right away I'm seeing code P0354 ignition coil, D, primary, secondary circuits stored in the PCM. I'm also seeing C1201 engine control system fault in the AB system. C1201 usually sets when the engine module has a fault, so the VSC and traction lights are basically reacting to the misfire problem. In the OBD2 section and freeze frame area, P0354 is also stored. So we'll focus on cylinder number 4 and see what's going on. Before I do anything, I like to check the misfire data. Right now the engine isn't acting up, and I don't see any active misfires on cylinder 4. Since the problem is intermittent, I'm going to perform a coil swap test to confirm whether the coil itself is bad. Here is the cylinder numbering on this 3.5-liter Sienna so you can see exactly where cylinder 4 and cylinder 6 are located. Now I'm going to swap ignition coil number 4 with ignition coil number 6. This is a quick way to see if the problem follows the coil. If the fault moves to cylinder 6 afterward, we'll know the coil is failing internally. With the coils swapped, I'm clearing all stored codes so we can get a clean read on what comes back. I'm checking current, history, and pending codes. Everything looks clear. Now we're ready to go for a quick test drive and see what returns.
A few moments later.
After the drive, we now have code P0356. That means the fault has moved from cylinder 4 to cylinder 6 exactly where we placed the suspect coil. So this confirms the ignition coil has an internal problem. At this point, we're going to replace the ignition coil on cylinder number 6. The customer requested we leave the brand new coil on cylinder 6 instead of moving it back. Here's the new coil going in, and everything is plugged in and secured. I'm clearing the codes again. Now let's go for another quick drive to verify that everything is fixed.
A few moments later.
Back from the test drive, and here are the results. No current, history, or pending codes. Everything is clean, and the VSC traction lights are gone. The repair is confirmed. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more diagnostic and repair content.